Okay, guys, I finally found the Amazing Spider-Man, the Walmart exclusive one. Well, not Walmart, because Target also sells these. Monster Jam, guys, Series 2, Marvel, Amazing Spider-Man. Spider-Man's my all-time favorite hero, along with Hulk and Ghost Rider. The Amazing Spider-Man, guys, you can get Iron Man, Black Panther, and Captain America, which I own, but I want to get Black Panther because I don't have him yet. I should have got him today when I saw him. Monster Jam, guys. Love that casting. Spider-Man right there, the render. Marvel. Okay. A little flag down here. Oops. I'm sorry, guys. So, here's the flag itself. Take the tape off right now. The Amazing Spider-Man, guys, in blue. Get that focused really nicely. Nice. So let's go to the actual Spider-Man truck. That is so nice. Put the flash on it. So there it is, guys. Amazing Spider-Man. Red roll cage, red rims and beadlocks, BKT tires, blue chassis. There's a Spider-Man logo. The blue and red is nice. The black spider. And I'm going to start putting the light like this so you can see the detail more when I show them close. Monster Jam logo. Back of the truck with the spider. Really cool, guys. There's Spider-Man's eyes right there on the side. So alrighty, guys, got one more to go. Peace out.